Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily apply for Discover It secured credit card. So all you have to do is head over to discover.com and from here, just click on credit card. So from here, you should be able to see a list of credit cards. Just scroll down until you see Discover It secured credit card. Then click on apply now. So from here, you can pre-fill your secured card application just by entering your zip code, last four digits of your social security number, and your date of birth. Then once done, just head over and click on next. So from here, you can start choosing your card design from the various designs available. And from here, all you have to do is fill in your information such as your name, home address, date of birth, employment status, monthly housing or rent payment, total gross income, email address, and of course, read the terms and conditions and this important information, the interest rates and interest charges. And also, make sure that you check the box that you agree to terms and conditions, authorization. Then, once done, just head over and click on submit. And lastly, there's a note here that says if approved, you must make a minimum security deposit of $200 or more in increments of $100 up to $2,500, which will equal your requested credit limit. Discover will determine your maximum credit limit by your income and ability to pay. And from there, all you have to do is wait for them to reach out to you if you are eligible and if your credit card application is approved through your email address. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye.